When you see our videos, you might be wondering, who the fuck are you to tell me how to make money? Where did you learn to make money from? Who are you? Exactly, who the fuck am I to tell you how to make money? Only you can convince you whether or not you can really make money off of the internet. Which is why I would like to invite you to our Discord channel. So head to our Discord channel, head to the welcome page. There's a tutorial on how to use our server. Watch the video, and once you understand how to use the server, you'll know that you have to take a membership in order to benefit from our server, or you can just go and head straight to the trading signal results and see the results of the trades that we provide our community members. And once you do that, you can know for yourself whether or not you can make money off of the internet. And only then should you trust me when I say that you can make money off of the internet, or anybody for that matter. How stupid are you if you just trust some random guy over the internet who tells you that you can make money? You can't. So once you've done that, get your membership and start making money from day one. Peace out.